Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to tell if someone deactivates their Facebook. So let's start the video. Open Facebook app and now start by searching for the person's profile using the Facebook search bar. If you can't find their profile at all, it could mean they have deactivated their account or they have blocked you. If you have messaged the person before, go to your Messenger app or the Facebook chat. If their profile picture has changed to a default gray icon and you can no longer click on their name, it's a sign they have deactivated their account. However, if you still see their name and can message them, they may have blocked you instead. If you want to be sure, ask a mutual friend to check the profile. If the mutual friend can't find the person's profile either, it's likely that the account has been deactivated. And that's it. Now you know how to tell if someone has deactivated their Facebook account. If this helped you out, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to Initial Solution for more quick tech tutorials. See you next time.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.